Good morning. So we're headed now to the MDR for breakfast. Check that out, see what it's all about. Mostly because I'm kind of not into the mood with the crowds this morning. We're on our way to Nassau, and it's beautiful out there right now. Last night was quite rocky. I'm pretty sure I almost fell out of the bed 4 times. But that was to be expected since we left Port Canaveral in a storm. Yeah, so we're en route. Check it out. So we just got seated, and they came around with pastries. So you have your choice of croissants, muffins, and I think they were like breakfast buns.
Something like that.
Yeah. All of our croissant crumbs everywhere. We got bread basket this morning. It looks like there's whole wheat and a soft white bread. So breakfast just arrived. What did you order this morning, hon?
I got the French toast, bacon, and a hash brown.
Looks good.
Tastes good.
I think it's cinnamon toast or something that they have.
Cinnamon raisin, yeah.
Nice. Oh, okay. And I ordered an omelet, muesli, and bacon with hash brown and English muffin. We're just pulling into Nassau. Gorgeous day. Good day, Mr. Pilot. What did you say, hon?
I don't know if that's him or if there's a helicopter coming too.
Oh yeah, he's pretty grumbly, eh? No, I think that's him. You see Atlantis right here. And then we already got a few ships in port. I'll show you guys when we get closer. Looks like a few whale-tail carnivals, possibly a Royal Caribbean, maybe another MSC ship. But it's a beautiful day in the Bahamas. Always is. Look at that stud muffin.
Just watch it.
I know. Last time we were coming in, it was
Raining.
it was doing its tropical sprinkle when we came in on Oasis. But I think we decided too that we might do the MDR for lunch, because I know the buffet is going to be maggoty with people because all the excursions and stuff. We're a tad bit early. I think we're supposed to arrive at 1 and it's like 11:15. So yeah, we're going to check that out, take you along for that, and then we're going to go explore Nassau on our own. We did that last time when we were on Oasis, so check out that video if you haven't. There's a few good spots on that one, and hopefully to hit a few new spots on this one. It's Paradise Island, where Atlantis is. You have to access that over the bridge. You can't access it by foot. And I do believe you need to have an excursion to go over there, do you not?
Atlantis?
No, to Paradise Island.
Oh, you gotta, well.
And then this end of the island strip, I do believe is where Royal Caribbean is building their new beach club, which will be nice. It's opening next year. Okay, we got some more ships in view there now. So there's 1, 2, 3 whale tails that I can see. It looks like an MSC ship, and I don't know what that smaller ship is on the far left. But when we get out, we'll show you. So we're just coming into the MDR here for lunch. Looks like it's open, so I guess we'll see you inside.
So for our bread, we got
I think that's like an onion.
the onion seaweed breadish. It's a mix. And a white roll of some sort.
Nice. Go ahead.
So we got the conch fritters. They look absolutely delicious. And mozzarella sticks.
With their homemade mozzarella. The entrees just arrived, and I ordered a shrimp Caesar salad, and Johnny got a shrimp Caesar salad, but he did order a Philly cheesesteak, so we'll see if that arrives. Oh, it might be there, hon. It might be there. Oh, maybe not. Nope, wrong table.
Finally, we got our cheesecake.
10 hours later, you said?
Yeah, 10 hours later.
10 hours later. It looks good, though. And then it has, like, I don't know, what the little sugar things. I think they're probably like...
So we got the all clear from the captain, or no, it wasn't the captain, it was the Teddy. It was our cruise director Teddy. So the gangway is ready to go. So we're gonna head out off the ship into Nassau and go for a little walking tour of our own.
Little adventure.
Yep.
Which is what we love to do.
Yeah, we do. We like to explore on our own.
And cry because we're sweaty and hot.
All right. So today, in port at Nassau with us, we have Mariner of the Seas. On the far side is Carnival Glory. Then you can't see her, and then it's MSC Seashore, Carnival Pride, and then our ship, MSC Meraviglia, and then Carnival Sunshine over there. So it's a full day at port here today. Here we are on Bay Street, right?
Bay Street?
And that's the government building, I think.
Yes. So it's kind of like their parliament.
Yeah.
And there's a reason why it's pink color. I think it was whoever used to be, and I know I'm butchering this, but whoever used to be like the president or the prime minister, whatever the democracy or government is down here, that was their favorite color, I do believe, and that's why it was painted that color. But I will fact check that and edit that out if that's not what it is. There is a reason why it's colored that color.
And now we're walking down Bay Street.
We're on our way to the rum cake factory and hopefully to the Green Parrot. And not sure what else we get up to. Bay Street's one of the touristy areas. Lots of jewelry shops. The other way. This is like the other end. Johnny's running.
Sorry.
We do have to cross the road at one point because rum cake is on the other side.
Go now.
Yes, okay. We're going to the original
Rum cake, yeah.
rum cake factory.
Our book though.
I don't think it's open. There's the police officer on the Segway.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Very cool.
Very cool. Yeah, no, not as hot as last time.
No. There's a prop store here. There's a sports bar. The Cheetah's Lounge.
Shall we go in? Upscale bikini sports bar.
Upscale though.
As I said, upscale.
Whatever that means.
Here we are, we made it to the rum cake factory. Stop number 1 on our little tour.
Everybody's good?
Mocha cappuccino. Ooh, that one might be really good. Just wait, I want to see what that flavor is.
Banana.
The ladies are in there.
Hi, you guys. Just walk in, stay to your left side for me. How much is it?
$19, 7. The small ones, you get a deal of 4. It's $22.50, and you can choose any flavor. For the big ones, it's
Yeah,
just one.
for the little ones.
20. They're trying original and pina colada. You can try both of them.
Which ones they have?
Original pecans, pina colada.
Yeah. The original's good.
That's the pina colada there.
Okay.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
It's way better than in that one.
Maybe that's the original.
I was gonna say I don't taste any pina colada.
Oh, it's a big one.
Oh, this is the
Tastes a little different, but not drastically. It's good though. It was very good.
I like that one better than the original.
So what do you want to get?
Four is
Chocolate?
$22.50.
Chocolate, pina colada, banana, original?
I don't want originals first.
Oh, I like the original.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You just said it. So we want a pina colada, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Mocha cappuccino. The rest are all pina colada. Original. And I want banana.
Should I get mocha or should I get chocolate? Oh, there's caramel. You want banana?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm just gonna look at the hot sauces over there.
Okay.
Oh, you can eat meat for the money though. So they also have seafood sauce and what they call spicy sauce, which I assume is like a spicy seafood sauce. And then they have some hot sauces,
Yeah, we got she wanted
some jerk sauce,
pina colada, and we got amaretto.
mango barbecue.
I love amaretto. They all get
Yeah, it's cute in here. For a cute little shop.
Yeah, did you get the ladies version baking it in the...
I did kind of, yeah. I didn't want to be right in their faces. Well, there, that's better. You can see through there now from this angle. They're baking in there. So we got our rum cakes. It comes with a free shot for the 4-pack at the bar next door, which we already got, but the music was the music was blaring,
Very loud.
so I couldn't really record in there.
Driveway?
Oh, sorry. So, yeah, that's a bonus. We got a free shot with our rum cakes. Now we're off to the Green Parrot, right?
Yeah. Did you tell them when you were? No, my head is down here. So when you're in the rum cake shop too, this is the original. You actually get to see the ladies and gentlemen that are baking the cakes on site, which I think Johnny had a bit of.
Yeah, a couple
footage.
clips, yeah.
It was really awesome. Everybody's really friendly in there, and it's air conditioned, so it's a perfect spot. Like if you are going for a little jaunt yourself, stop in and like cool down. And the flavors were pina colada. Did you tell them already?
Yeah, we got pina colada,
An original.
and we got mocha cappuccino.
Oh no, I was saying about the samples. Huh?
Oh, the samples. Yes, so the samples were pina colada and the original.
And what was it? We buy banana, mocha cappuccino,
Regular.
and pina colada.
Yeah, whatever the other one you got was. Pina colada?
Yeah,
Okay,
I think we got 4.
Yeah.
$22.50.
that's pretty good.
Yeah. So now we're off to the Green Parrot.
Yep. We'll try and get some conch salad or conch fritter or something, right? Is what you want?
I just want a frozen. I want a frozen drink.
Yeah, that would be nice, yes. Not as bad as last time, though.
No.
I had a headache already at this point. Oh, I'm not even recording. Now we're entering the Green Parrot and see what they got. So we're gonna get the conch bites.
You didn't say where we said we're at the Green Parrot.
Yeah.
You didn't say what we're
And
at.
we are going to get the, where is it? Oh, there it is.
Bahama Parrot.
The Bahama Parrot. The yard cup, it's $23.
Hi. How are you? Doing great. So welcome to Green Parrot. My name is Meraviglia-Day4-Nassau. Okay. We'll have your Bahama Parrot. We get the yard cup. How big is the yard cup? It's just a first one. Oh, okay. Okay. So we'll get better to get like a margarita or movie pictures of the picture share between the two. Do you want to just get one of those? You want to Bahama Parrot? Yes, please. And I will get a parrot fresh.
This is their marina. More way back in there too. You can see Atlantis over top of the boats. You can see way back there the cruise ships. That's how far we are. So we've gotten our drinks.
Both of them have parrot in them. I don't know. It's like Paradise Crush or Parrot Crush or something.
Bahamian parrot. So what do you think?
It's good. It has the frozen part is mango. Just a minute, it's melting. It's overflowing. There's blue carousel in there and rum. Yeah, yours is.
They're both good.
Yeah, I like mine a little bit better.
Just a little bit better?
I think it has more. That one has pineapple. Yeah, I like it.
Good. So our conch bites just showed up.
They look pretty decent. Remind me of calamari.
Ooh. That sauce is spicy. Wasn't expecting that. Oh. What do you think?
Sauce is nice. It does have a bite to it. In a way, they're kind of to be expected. They're chewy.
Yeah, but they're good.
Yeah. But they are chewy. They're not tender. So when you bite into it, it's like when you get calamari and it's overcooked, but it's not as chewy. But it's to be expected. That's that animal.
Yeah. I think this is the biggest tree I've ever seen in the Bahamas. It's massive. Yeah.
Provides some lovely shade, though.
Looks like the life tree of the Bahamas. Yggdrasil, as a Norse would say it. We're entering Fort Fincastle, and the water tower's right here. And then the shops are up here. A little straw market.
They have putting carvings.
Oh yeah. This is Fort Fincastle right here. Fort Fincastle was built in 1973 by Lord Dunmore, a royal governor, 1787 to 1796, whose second title was Vincent Viscount. Yeah, it's cool.
American.
8-inch cannon. That's cool. There's a couple more there that look like long guns instead of short ones. So we just stopped at Pirate Republic for some beer, and we got a flight of 5.
This one is the Golden Haze Piracy. It's a Belgian.
That's good. That's real good.
Then this one is that the
IPA or the Pirate Ale. I think that's the Pirate Ale.
That's more close up.
They're both good though.
almost like a Pilsner. This one
I think that is the Pilsner, yeah.
Long John Pilsner.
And that's the Golden Haze. All that color. So if you can't hear us, this is the Long John Pilsner. This one's the Golden Haze of Piracy. Oh, that's good. That's the Belgian. That's definitely the Belgian. Okay, so this one would have been, we got this one wrong. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of stouts.
Okay.
Mild.
Oh, I like that one.
That's good. I'm not a fan of stouts.
Yeah, that's really good. Black Boots Stout. I need this after our last fiasco. We'll update you guys later about what kind of happened to us.
He was just joking
I
with you
know,
though.
he was really good about it.
The fact that he went boom, 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 boom on the rice.
Yeah. Apparently I have no witness.
It made a big difference though. When you smile, you see them, but when you're normal,
All I feel
it's tight. I can hear it.
so it's just that's all
I said, yeah, we're on the 4 beds and we have to
Take 150 and we'll go on.
I don't know what he thought he was going to do with me because I don't have a like. Yeah. Me, I can get rid of better. Do you have something like that? Oh, yeah. Maybe people give them to him? Where did you see that? Okay.
It is what it is. So we just left the Pirate Republican Brewery. It was a lot of fun in there.
It was.
We had a flight. And yeah, we just came over. We're heading back to the ship now. And we're going to show you guys the new port that I think is pretty much finished now. When we were here last June, it was still under renovation, but
Yeah, not all, everything was done, but most of it was done.
so a lot of shops, restaurants, vendors. It looks really good in here. They did a good job.
Some of the little booths in the board area.
Hair braiding.
Yeah, hair braiding.
Over on the other side there, there's like
You want to go over there? Come on. Linda's place.
they do have ornaments over there. A lot of the cute little straw.
Oh, okay.
Because they're known for their craft creations.
Yeah.
You can also get your rum cakes here too if you don't get out and out to the town.
Oh, yeah.
There's also the Museum of Junk and too.
Yes, the museum is over there.
And I'm not sure.
A 3D style screen.
There's a shark and there's something else that comes out.
Turtle, shark. I don't remember what the other one is.
Got away.
Stingray. Or manta ray.
coming back now. We stopped at the, well, Johnny showed you, the cool aquarium 3D screen they have. We're all by, we only have 2 of our friends left. The Carnival Sunshine and the Carnival Glory, I think, if you can see behind. She's pulled off there now. And then it's us. Just hanging out. But we had a great day today.
Yeah.
We have tonight. We're going to go to the MDR for dinner, and we have the comedian tonight.
Yes, at 10.
At 10. It's a little bit late for us, but yeah, we had a full day again. Got to see lots of sights. We had a couple of drinks here and there. We got my wrinkles magically disappeared. Almost paid, what was it, $600? $600 for this eye cream. That I don't use eye cream or any stuff usually, so that would have been $600 in the garbage. Really, who has $600 to lay on eye cream? Anyway, he was really nice about it though. And then we had a drink so I could bring all my wrinkles back. But we're gonna get back on the ship, get ready for supper, and see what tonight brings. It's our first cruise that we've ever had a cold towel station and beverages. We're like royalty on MSC.
So we're back on the ship and we got all cleaned up. It's white night and we're headed down to the MDR. Hopefully get some good grub. Might hide a duck. And we have a show at 10 o'clock with comedian on ship.
And action.
So we got our bread bowl.
Yeah, they were fast tonight.
Yep.
They're getting better as the cruise goes on. I guess because they know what we're all about. And our water. Oh, sorry.
So we got some breadsticks, a white bun, looks like maybe a pumpernickel CD bread.
Yep. They always have surprises in for lunch. Was it today that I had the brown bread and it had I don't know if it was peppers or cranberries in it, but it was like a surprise kind of situation. It was still yummy, but you never know what you're gonna get. It's like a box of chocolates.
It's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna
Exactly. Which we still have to buy or consume. Our appetizers have started to arrive. We both got the French onion soup. And did you order something else on that?
get.
Oh, the Thai chili spring rolls.
Chicken spring rolls.
And I ordered the spinach salad. So that hasn't arrived just yet, but we're going to dig into our soup. How is it tonight?
Good.
Good. So your Thai chicken lettuce wraps arrived, and my spinach salad with pecans and bacon arrived.
A pretty short rib. That looks really good. Some blue cheese. And
That's a polenta, I think, huh?
yes, it is.
And some veggies.
Yep.
And I ordered the tagliatelle with mussels, shrimp, and I think they said clams. We'll dig in here now. How's the first bite? Because you got short ribs, so you should be able to just...
That's really good.
Tender. Nice.
Tender. Yeah. Pulls apart.
Good.
Sauce is good.
And we're just leaving Nassau now. We're pulling out. Tomorrow's Ocean Key. My gâteau d'opera did arrive, and I'll show you. It looks really good. Even Johnny said it looks good, and he's not a chocolate kid at all. We just got out of the comedy show. It was pretty good. Very clean, but Johnny was saying he had a lot of enthusiasm. And he spoke about parenthood and antics on a cruise ship that other people do, so it was pretty relatable. He said that, was it Friday night? Friday night he has a adult show at 11:30, so we will try to make it to that. That's past my bedtime. But we're headed back to the room there now. Overall, it was a great evening. Dinner was a hit and miss tonight, but we'll let you guys know how that went. Probably in the morning, because not too sure how much fuel we got left in the gasket for tonight. So, see you in the morning. Good night.